I can't even vent when I want, I don't trust you.
Hey Chris, this shit crazy.
Uh, 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 I can't even vent when I would, I don't trust you. Who you gon' tell all my problems to? Fuck you. I do not need nobody to look up to, and I do not need your love. Where your head and whose shoulders, baby? I can't explain how I miss you lately. I can't go home cause I feel so jaded, and I cannot run cause my shoes ain't laced up. I've been fucking up and feeling so sick, love. Keep finding love, you gon' get what you get, love. That shit don't work out for nobody, trust me. Know you pretty when the shit get ugly. Who do I wake up to daily? Trust me. Find it if I can, I might run back to you, baby. If I find you again, maybe fuck it. Can't keep thinking about it all lately. I've been trying not to fall lately. She been fucking with my mind lately. I've been complaining a lot, no you hate it. I misunderstood, I can't take it. That evil gon' find me and kill me, baby. Will you gon' be there to help me kill it, baby? Against my demons, will you be there to help me kill them all? Against my demons, will you be there to help me kill them all? Against my demons, will you be there to help me kill them all? Against my demons, will you be there to help me kill them all? Cause it get ugly.